Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a Shopify responsive design tutorial. Now this video will have everything you need about how you can optimize your Shopify site for mobile users. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have our Shopify dashboard, and right now we're only using a free trial account, which means that upon creation of the trial account, we only have around 3 days to use it until we're going to need to purchase a plan. In which case, we can actually select a plan from this drop box right here. So if you want to check out some plans right here, just feel free to check it out. You can see that the initial payment is only for $1 until you're going to have to purchase for the original price. So here you can just pick your plan. And of course, this will be beneficial in optimizing your site for mobile users, most especially because you're going to be able to unlock a lot of features as well as uh, other apps that can be utilized for your Shopify store. All right. So for starters, we're going to take a look at some of the free features we can utilize with our Shopify store, starting with our online store right here. So for example, if we check the online store over here, it will give us access to themes. And currently we have the default Dawn theme, which of course can also be used for mobile. As you can see, there is a preview option for the mobile version of this particular design or template. However, you can also check some popular themes right over here. So let's try to check the theme store. Visit theme store right over here. And you can actually choose among free options. Some are tied into subscriptions, but there are also some free themes you can check out. So just make sure to tick this box right here, which says free, so that you get to test out the free options you have for the themes, and then just choose the best design that fits your brand. All right, so make sure to also focus on the preview section right there. As you can see, it shows a preview of the mobile version. This is gonna be what you're gonna have to focus on, since most users right now are using their mobile phones when it comes to browsing, and you rarely see people use PC or laptop whenever they try to visit stores or online stores. So it's best to really focus on the mobile design of your Shopify store. So again, just feel free to choose your default template or your template for the Shopify store and then add it to your store. Just click on it, and then you can click on try theme or view demo store. But if you just want to go directly into trying out the theme and customizing it, and then just click on try theme. So that's for your templates. And once you click on try theme, you will be able to see it in your theme library right here. And of course, if you have an existing subscription, you can also choose from a bunch of other themes that are more aesthetically pleasing or have more features in them. But of course, again, you're going to have to purchase a plan for that. So once you have your theme, then you can click on customize to check the Shopify editor. And in here, by default, you get to see how you can edit the store in mobile or desktop version. But if you check out this mode right here or use the shortcut Control I, then you get to see how your store looks like in mobile version. So here you can see that it's not so bad. It's pretty simplified, and the best look you can have in a Shopify store, especially for mobile users, is a simplified design. So you have a burger menu here that shows home, catalog, and contact. So not a lot of clutter in the design, which is good for mobile users, since you're not gonna overwhelm them with a bunch of stuff that they don't need to see on mobile. So here is a very simple design you can use. So we're going to head back to our dashboard, and another thing we can check out for utilizing, or rather optimizing, our store for mobile users is our products. So for example, if you're going to add a product, let's walk you through the process. You're going to have to be as descriptive as you can with the title alone, as well as the description. So for example, let's say we're selling a black t-shirt. Try to be as descriptive as you can so that they can see everything from the get-go. Of course, don't be too overly dramatic with your title, like making it a long sentence. Just enough descriptive words, like for example, black cotton t-shirt, or maybe unisex t-shirt, something like that. So everything, almost everything they need to know about that shirt is presented already in the title. And this also works for SEO optimization, which is necessary for internet traffic and for getting a lot of traction into your product and into your website. So here we have a nice descriptive title. You can do the same for your description. So just type in a black cotton t-shirt for men and women. Or maybe we can include that it is free size so that they won't have to worry about the sizing of this particular product. So whichever else you need to include in the details, just be as descriptive as you can and include it in the description. Next, we're going to be focusing on the media or the photo that we're going to add. So one thing we need to be particular about when it comes to our product is adding a good quality photo, and of course its sizing, or the dimensions. This matters in mobile users. So for example, I'm going to upload this black t-shirt sample. Now we're just going to let this upload, and then once it's done uploading, just click on the particular photo so that we get to edit it further. And the important thing about this photo is we add an alt text. So if you guys don't know, alt texts are important when it comes to accessibility. So alt text helps users with visual impairment to understand what they're looking at. So if your photo or image has an alt text, then smartphones will be able to detect the alt text and read it out loud so that the visually impaired customer will know or understand what they're looking at. So we just include the descriptive title again in your alt text. So for example, black, or wait, hold on. Black cotton unisex t-shirt. We're going to include free sizing or free size. So just like that. And this is going to make it more accessible, which is again beneficial for mobile users. And then we can also crop and transform depending on our preference. So normally square is the usual dimensions for mobile. So we can actually stick with that sizing and just click apply. Or you can also resize manually right here. Whenever you resize manually, try to aim a width and height of around 500 to 600 pixels, not more or less. Just play around that sizing, and that should be good enough for mobile users. So once you're done, just hit save, and that will be saved into our product. So apart from those, just add in your usual details like the pricing. So these details right here are just the same as usual. They don't really matter that much when it comes to mobile users. All we had to focus on was how descriptive we can get with title, description, and of course our media. So once you're done adding your details, just hit save and your product will be live and it will be friendly for mobile users. So that's how you can optimize your products for mobile users. Congratulations, you added your first product. And if you want to check out your online store, just click on this icon right here, right beside your online store. And you should be able to see, of course, the mobile or desktop version of it. And once it's live, you can just copy the link and open it on your mobile phone so that you get to see the mobile version of it live on your phone. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.